Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something completely different to what I normally do on my channel. Now I'm quite excited about it. I was thinking about maybe starting a new series on my channel, and it's because I'm always coming across little tiny cute little bits and bobs and I'm like, I really want to try this. I've come across this. Now this is something completely different to what I normally do on my channel. If it does well, then I'll definitely do some more, but if it doesn't, then scrap this series, forget about it. So I came across this. This is a nail art set. I really want to give it a go. The reason why I really want to try this is because I always used to come across these as a kid and I never used to buy them. Very much into my Barbies, and I also went through a stage of going through spy gadgets. I loved spy gadgets, so whenever I went to Toys R Us, I never went to these type of things. It was either Barbies or spy gadgets or baby born. Ooh, so let's open her up. Okay, I'm so excited. That's it. Wow, look at all these false nails you get. Wow. Instructions. 120 nails, some stickers, I'm real happy. Then you get this. Oh. Polishes and glitters. Oh, I'm so excited. I assume, haha, nail polish holders. So you get yellow, pink, purple and green. What do? Do I put water in first or put water in after? Oh, it's squidgy. Okay, I assume put the water in. It's not giving me much information. How can a 6-year-old do this if I'm 24 and I can't do that? Like, how far do we? I'm pouring to just over the nails. What's going on right now? I don't understand. Press the button to turn the spinner, add one colour at a time to get the best effects. Right, so I'm gonna go with purple. Oh my god, how? It's jammed on the inside. It's leaking! It's leaking! Oh my god! It's leaking! Oh my god! Oh my god! What do I do? Oh my god, it is leaking. Oh my god, it's leaked everywhere, it's leaked. Oh my god, oh my god, what do I do? What do I do? Go get a cloth. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, how? Oh my god, it's leaking from the bottom, it's leaking from the bottom. Oh my god, it keeps leaking. How are you supposed to add water? Do you not add water? Maybe you do add water. I'm gonna go empty this out. Don't really need to add water when I thought you did. I thought it was water where you swirl it with the water. Why isn't this thing in? Okay, we're going for a purple look. Okay. What if this spirals out everywhere? Okay, so these are definitely just gonna go purple. It's stuck on the inside, so I just assume you just popped it. Well, there's all my colour gone. Okay, let's give it a swirl. Ready? This is weird. Oh, sparkly. Now we need more yellow. We can't have things missed out. Oh my god. Oh, can you see this? It popped off. Always make sure you have a responsible adult around with you at all times. Clearly I need one around me. Oh my god, I can't take this off. Oh. Wow! It's not coming out. This is getting any colours whatsoever. Right, look, now we're going to add some silver in. Sprinkle this on. Seriously, Pebbles is looking at me like, oh my god, this is such a failure. I really don't like this. It's not coming out. This is not working out the way I thought. I thought I was going to get really pretty and cute nails. Let's try the green. It keeps going into the middle of it. Right, let's try and do it. Whoa. Right, let's try it again. Let's go with the green. I love the green. Green is actually my favourite colour. Oh, there we go. That sort of like filled it. Oh, that's okay. Third time lucky. I am living for this look. Oh, I have a little ombre look going on around here. Cool. Let's do it on the inside. Oh my god, I've run out of yellow. Oh shit. Oh no, it's coming out. Oh no. Oh. The yellow. And then let's go with some pink glitter. Actually, you know what? We haven't done gold, so let's do gold. To go with the yellow. Okay, so I thought this was watercolour. You know when you put your nail in the water and then you swirl your polish on, you lift it up and it's got nice cool pattern nails. That's what I thought it was. Tried the stickers just yet because my nails are still drying. Does this thing actually really work? No. It should say pop open with some skizzers, or you know, they could have make sure you know when you take this off and then you pop it. Do I like these colours? Yes, I do. I think you can make some jazzy colours. I think what you should do at first is you need to paint the nail first because it doesn't get everywhere, and you also only get like a little tiny bit. So, and plus I wasted the yellow inside this doodah anyway. This is the last one what I made. Yeah. It did go well. It did go better than the first one what I made. To this one what I made. Why did I think it was water? On the box it looked very water-like from this bit. Box that's just for advertisement to get people like me to buy it. Does this thing actually really work? No. No, it does not. If I were to get this for a family member, I wouldn't bother. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this first little bit of my series. If you would like to see more, then please like and comment on this video. Go ahead and subscribe because it would mean so much to me anyway. See you again in my next video sometime next week.